Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? Hope you had a nice weekend. What we have here, this is part of our sign collection we bought up in the Bay Area. This is a set of 4 bug spray devices, if you will, the spray devices. One of them is by the golf company, the other one is FlyDed, and then the 4th one is Hudson. So if you are into the vintage bug spray canisters, this is for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.